kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, let us continue our class about number names from 190 to 200. So let's learn with me. 191 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 ONE 1 191 192 ONE 1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 TWO 2 192 193 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 THREE 3 193 194 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 FOUR 4 194 195 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 FIVE 5 195 196 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 SIX 6 196 197 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 SEVEN 7 197 198 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 EIGHT 8 198 199 ONE1 HUND RED 100 NINETY 90 NINE 199 and 200 TWO2 HUND RED 100 200. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.